Good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine, taking care of yourself, staying at home. So, stay home, be safe. And I have already sent you the question answers for lesson number 1. And I have instructed you all to write those question answers in 200 pages long notebook, king size notebook, 2 pages per day. I hope all the students must have started writing the question answers for lesson number 1. If you all are not able to open the document, kindly let me know. So I'll send some other type of the format. Okay, my dear students. So in lesson 1, we were talking about all things about the plants. Now in this lesson, we are going to talk about the nutrition in animals. So lesson 1, we have already spoken about the term photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, air, chlorophyll, water and minerals. Okay students, so these plants, they prepare food for themselves. But can animals prepare their own food? No. We animals, along with the human beings, we cannot prepare our own food. We get this food from the plants. Okay. Sometimes we get this food from animals. So, now we will categorize the organisms into different categories according to whether they can prepare their food or they are dependent on some other organisms for their food. So, which we had discussed: carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous. Okay. So, we will be discussing it again here. So, some animals will eat the plants directly. Some animals will eat some other animals. We will discuss the examples for all the types of the groups. All organisms, they require food. Now students, every day we take food, isn't it? आम्ही सध्या उठून जेवण घेतात. चपाती, सकाळची आम्ही चपाती, ब्रेड, चहा, इडलीस, whatever, we take the breakfast. And in the afternoon, we take lunch. Then in the evening again, we will take light snacks. And at night, we take dinner again. So, full day, we require to keep our stomach full. So, why do the organisms, they require food? किद्याक लागून आम्ही जेवण जेवप? If we don't eat food, what will happen to our body? So food is mainly required for growth of the body. Okay. So when you are eating proper food, then your body will be developed properly. All the organs will develop properly. Your brain will get developed properly. Similarly for survival. सर्वायवल म्हणजे कितें? जिवंत रावपा खातीर आमकां जर जिते रावपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी जेवण जेवचें पडटलें. ओके. सो इवन इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द रिपेर ऑफ द सपोजींग रिपेर म्हणटा न्ही म्हटल्यार कितें? बॉडीक जर तुमकां कितें हार्म जाल्या, कळ्ळें? कितें आतां स्क्रॅच आमी पडटा, वूंड जाता, ती जर रिपेर जावपा जाय, बरी जावपा जाय, रिपेर म्हणटा ताका, जाल्यारूय आमकां एनर्जी जाय. सो ही सगळी एनर्जी आमकां केन्ना मेळटली? जेन्ना आमी जेवण जेवतलीं. वेन वी वील ईट food, we will get the energy. Hence, food is required for survival, growth and repair. Okay. Now, requirements of nutrients, mode of intake of food and its utilization by the body or in the body are called as nutrition are called nutrition. What is nutrition? The requirement of different nutrients by our body. How do we take that nutrient in the body, which is the mode of taking food, and how the body is utilizing the food. So this definition you will get on page number 1. In the beginning of the lesson you will get the definition for nutrition. Now student, there are different ways how the organisms take food. So here you can see a hummingbird, which is what it is doing? It is just sucking the nectar of plants. आम्ही आता केन्ना केन्ना कितें करता, फ्लावर्स उलटे उलटेन तोंडान घालून सक करता, मागीर आमकां गोड गोड टेस्ट लागता. सो इट इज अ नेक्टर. नेक्टर इज अ स्वीट ज्यूस. सिक्स्थाक तुमी शिकले आसतली. नेक्टर इज अ स्वीट ज्यूस present inside the flower. So hummingbirds, they try to collect this nectar by sucking. Sucking म्हणजे आता आम्ही स्ट्रॉ घेऊन जसे ड्रिंक पिता पळय, पिता न्ही आमी सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक स्ट्रॉ घेऊन किंवा सरबत स्ट्रॉ घेऊन सक करतात ते आमी ओडटात आमच्या तोंडात. सिमिलरली hummingbird is sucking the nectar. Then different other organisms are there. 1 second students. Okay. Human beings, how we eat? We use our hands, and then we will take the food and put it into the mouth. We are using our hands, and after that we are using our teeth to chew. Chappa khatir. Then infants means very small children. What they are doing? They are fed upon by their mother's milk by sucking. Next, here you can see a snake. Snake म्हणजे वेगळे वेगळे साप जे असता पळय आमी म्हणटा पळय, ती कितें करता? दे जस्ट स्वेलो म्हणजे गिळप. टॅबलेटी बी आमी कितें करता? टॅबलेटी आसता ती मेडिसीन चाबून खायनात. आमी कितें करता? तोंडान घेता आनी उदक पिता. वी जस्ट स्वेलो इट, गिळटा. तश्योच ही जे स्नेक्स असता, दे swallow their prey upon without chewing them. चाबड्यान आसतना खातात आनी मागीर inside their body the digestion takes place. The next is the frog. How is frog catching its prey? What it does, it will bring its tongue out. ताजी जीभ भायर काडटलो, and the tongue is sticky. Sticky means feeling like a glue, gum असता पळय तशें. Tongue is sticky, so the prey will stick on the tongue and it will take the tongue inside, and then the prey म्हणजे शिकार ताच्या तोंडान वतली, or its food will reach in its mouth. You can just imagine by removing your tongue out how the frog must be catching its food. You can send me your pics or the videos. तुम्ही धाडू शकता. फ्रॉग कसो खाता आसतलो हाजो व्हिडिओ तुम्ही म्हाका करून धाडू शकतात. कसो तो आपलो शिकार कशी धरता तुमकां सांगलें हांवें. जीप तो कशी करता इमेजीन करपाचें आसा. यू कॅन इवन एक्ट फॉर हमिंगबर्ड. हमिंगबर्डाची एक्टींग करून म्हाका धाडू शकता तुमी. मागीर हाजी एक्टींग करा, फ्रॉगाची एक्टींग करा, ह्युमन बिंग्साची एक्टींग करा, मागीर स्नेक्सांची एक्टींग करा. यू कॅन एक्ट everything. You act and you can send me the videos, my dear students. Then it is your homework, sending the videos. Now an earthworm uses its muscular pharynx to swallow its food. Here also it is swallowing. Don't just try to remember the term pharynx because for your exams it is not necessary, only the information. So तो कितें करता earthworm? It just swallows the food like snake. Then next is spiders. You have seen spiders at your home? कोळी म्हणटा पळय, बारीक बारीक कोळी जी जाळे करता पळय. सो स्पायडर्स वीव स्टिकी वेब. ते कितें करता? जाळे तयार करता. तुम्ही पळय, यू मस्ट हॅव सीन in that cobweb small insects they get stuck. ते स्टिकी असता, चिकचिकीत असता, म्हणून ते इन्सेक्ट कितें जाता ते चिकटता. and then The spider feed upon that. Then amoeba. Amoeba is a microorganism जो आमकां दोळ्यांनी दिश्टी पडना. It is unicellular. एकाच सेला पासून तयार जाल्लो वो ऑर्गॅनिझम. तो कितें करता? हाऊ डज इट कॅचीस इट्स फूड? यू कॅन सी 3 different pictures. So it will just open its wall, side walls, mid first picture पळया U shape दिसतलो तुमकां, arrow दाखयला पळय. So it will open its side wall, the food material enters inside, then it closes its wall and then the food material goes into the body of the amoeba. या प्रोसेसाक engulf म्हणटा. What it is doing? It is engulfing the food. So जसो फ्रॉग कितें करतालो? फ्रॉग स्टिकी टंगाक लावन घेतालो. सो हो कितें करता? वॉल आसा ती ओपन करता. इट टेक्स द फूड मटेरियल, अगेन इट इज क्लोज्ड. So it is called as engulfing of food material. Then in multicellular organisms, so here Hydra and all, we will not focus on this because this is not required for us. Okay, so up to here we have learned about different modes of intake of food. Thank you, my dear students.